Salutations! Welcome back to Sephiroth and Sypha's channel.
Yay!
Alright, today we got the final reveal for Dino Reveal. Hopefully it is the AUSTRORAPTOR. The gray one right here. We don't have this yet. So this is the ultra rare right here, and this is the common. And these two right here are the original Dino trackers. I think I already explained this before. I already did some touch-ups on this. Right there, you can tell I painted the snout as well. And then the feet. Yeah. Alright, so let's get to it. Let's open up the rare, our final Dino Reveal revelations. Let's check it out. Okay, check it out. So this one is the F, actually. If you want the rare AUSTRORAPTOR, well, it is the F. Alright, so Sypha says she wants to open it. Alright, hopefully it is the... Okay, it is an AUSTRORAPTOR, and we're gonna dunk it on our water now. So are you ready? Hopefully it is the rare one. Okay. Let's put in the cover, so let's shake it. Oops. Spill some water there. There you go. Going to change. It is dissolving. Let's give it a few more seconds. Alright, it's looking good. This is the rare one. Has a nice color. Looks like a dark navy blue. Or like a metallic blue. Let's check it out now. Alright. Go back there. Okay, now let's dry it up. I think this is my favorite AUSTRORAPTOR now. It's pretty nice. The rare one.
Awesome, I like that.
Yeah. The rare one is better than the ultra rare. So here we go. The rare AUSTRORAPTOR. It does look weird. Look, it looks like it has a gap under there. Okay, so this is the ultra rare, and now this is the rare one. Really nice. Matt did a good job here. Even the paintings are different. Now let's compare to the common. Totally different. Alright, now we have 5 AUSTRORAPTORs. Yeah! Pretty cool. Now we're still waiting for the Legacy Collection Indoraptor. For some reason it's not out yet. Also the Ultimate Damage Allosaurus and the Mutodons. I keep going to Walmart but I don't see them yet. Now let's put aside. Well, compared to the original Dino Tracker. So here you go again, like I'm saying, every Dino Reveal they downgraded. It doesn't have an articulated neck anymore. Compared to the original, you can still articulate the neck. However, Dino Trackers don't have that. I would say the Dino Reveal. Nothing. You cannot articulate the neck. It's still better to articulate them though, so you can move it. See? Doesn't have a DNA scan. Nothing. Cannot open it. Yep. There you go. Okay guys, you guys have a good weekend now. Thank you so much, and hopefully you guys like this video and subscribe. We'll see you around again. Thank you. Take it easy now.